We are boarding in... Wala pa pala.
Should have board.
Wala pa pala.
Boarded ng 4
Pero ano daw eh, 5:25 pa yung alis natin. Hi guys, we're in the plane.
Kuya, ano oras ka rin dyan?
Kanina po?
Hindi, ano oras ka bukas?
Kaya po.
Sige, okay.
Hindi pa tayo.
Yeah. Hi guys, we're in Bohol and that plane ride was so shitty. I'm so hilo. Oh my gosh, hindi ko kinakaya yung life. So we're here na sa first hotel namin. Ito sila ate. Sa ano better? Boracay o ito? Sa sand?
I think the sand here is finer.
Dito?
Oo.
Ayaw maniwala ni mommy. She's such a Boracay bias.
Boracay? I thought she was a Bohol bias.
She's a Boracay bias.
Feel it. It's like Play-Doh.
What is that? What is that? Wow.
Uy, go. Lumipad. Lumilipad siya. Ate ko.
May enjoy to ni Ate Lexine. Ate Lex, I miss you. What is this? Oh!
Sand. For the crabs.
Oh, for the crabs.
Yeah. Let's cover them.
Okay. So cold.
I know. The water is so clear.
And it's so cold. Oh, sizzling squid. And I forgot what this is. Try a bit lang. Oh my gosh, parang ang lambot ng squid nila. Here, mom. Here, ate.
Did you try this now?
I tried this. It's good. It tastes so, fresh. Oh, thank you. Magugustuhan niyo ni Ate Lex.
Tagal lang yung serving nila. Yung pa nag-isa pa nito.
Baka sumabra yung hindi natin matitake out eh. Sarap.
Actually, I like this.
This is the crispy pata. That I wanna try.
Masarap pa rin one. Large stock.
Yeah.
Dati walang dala.
Sizzling gambas. Yum.
Okay na po yung order niyo na.
Thank you.
Binili ko kumain na lang.
Sarap ng fish. It's so fat. Ay, fish pala. Fish pala. Shrimp. Sorry.
And this one, you guys let me know if you want pa this one.
Kilawin.
Bigyan ko si Daddy. Hi guys, and we are done with dinner and cleaning up our faces. So, tapos na skincare. This is our room for tonight. Just for tonight, cause my long explanation. I don't know if you guys want to hear it, so I'm not gonna say it. So this is our room tonight. If you want, it's a very budget-friendly room, hotel. So if you want, I will put it down. But if you don't, edi wag. I won't put it down. Bala kayo dyan. Okay. See you guys tomorrow.